Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see the floor plan 30 by 50, 1500 square feet, north facing house plan. Uh, the total built up area is 782 square feet. In the main gate is available in the northeast corner, and then underground water tank, water bore and sump we want to keep in the northeast side. Septic tank you can keep in the two sides, one on the northwest of north or southeast of east. We kept here in the southeast of eastern side because outer side on common toilet is available in the southeast corner. So this is like 2 BHK in the ground floor and one bedroom and attached toilet in the first floor. Small sit out is there in northeast side in the size of 10 feet by 7 feet, and then staircase available in the northwest of north side. So while entering the main door, hall is available in the northwest side in the size of 10 feet by 18 feet 6 inches. TV and sofa are shown in this plan. And kitchen is available in the southeast corner in the size of 10 feet by 8 feet 6 inches. And then one back door is available. Back side one passage is there in the size of 23 feet 6 inch by 4 feet 6 inches. Master bedrooms are available in the southeast corner in the size of 10 feet by 15 feet. Bed we kept in the south side so that while sleeping our head will face head we keep in the southern side, and then wardrobe we can keep in the south or western side. This is with this less, so we kept in the southwest of west wall wardrobe, and then attached toilet is available near the master bedroom in the size of 10 feet by 4 feet. Here commode is placed in the northwest of north side. Commode we should keep facing south or north. Here we kept facing south, and shower is in the north wall. And then small guest bedroom is available in the northwest corner in the size of 10 feet by 7 feet 6 inches. In the first floor or the terrace floor, the balcony is in the size of 10 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. Only one door there, and then inside open terrace is available. Same like ground floor, there is a master bedroom of size 10 feet by 15 feet, and attached toilet 10 feet by 4 feet. So here the build-up area of the first floor is 234 square feet. So like this, if you need more plans, you can check out our website www.houseplansdelhi.com and our store website www.houseplans.world. Our apps are available in the Google Play Store: House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, PlanNest and DesignNest. You can check it and install. So if you like our video, please share, like and comment. Also refer your friends and family who needs house plans and design ideas. Thank you.